How to log into Neiman Marcus credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Neiman Marcus credit card and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one website option. Neiman Marcus Capital One credit card login. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. You're gonna find two options, sign in or set up my account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on the option of set up my account. If you just want to log in, click on sign in. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your account. You have to fill this, so go ahead and type in your account's credentials, type in the username, then type in the password. If you have forgotten the password or username, you can click on this option to recover it. Check in for the option of Remember Me if you want to save your login info. Once you fill this, click on Sign In, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into Neiman Marcus credit card account online. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.